A wide cinematic shot of a 1967 silver Ford Mustang Fastback sitting in the center of a dimly lit, professional detailing. Close-up of the vintage Mustang's front grille and emblem, showing cobwebs and wobwebs and weathered chrome. Macro shot of a heavily rusted door handle and a patch of flaking paint on the hood. Rust flakes are ready to fall at a touch. High-pressure water jet hits the dusty hood in slow motion. Water droplets explode on impact, stripping away leveling. Low-angle shot of dirty water stream running off the side skirts and pooling on the garage floor.
Thick white snow foam is sprayed from a foam cannon, slowly sliding down the curves of the Mustang. Macro shot of foam bubbles popping. Close-up of a handheld sander making contact with a rusted fender. Orange sparks and rust dust fly off as a technician uses a wire brush and fine grit sandpaper on the metal surface. The sander reveals a patch of bright, shiny, bare steel. The contrast between the rusted area and the clean labels. A metal spreader applies a smooth layer of body filler over a small dent on the rear quarter panel. The technician's hand, wearing a glove, runs over the sanded surface to check for imperfections. The extreme close-up of a caliper measuring the gap between the door and the fender, ensuring a perfect factory spec fit. Inside a clean paint booth, a spray gun releases a fine mist of metallic silver primer.
The spray gun moves horizontally across the car's door. The silver paint is wet and vibrant, covering the metal edge. A final clear coat is applied, creating a mirror-like reflection of the garage lights on the car's hood.
Close-up of a brand new tire with deep treads being mounted onto a polished chrome rim. Belugchen Klukschis. The camera pans through the car window to reveal the restored interior. Black leather seats. The camera pulls back to show the fully restored, gleaming silver Mustang in the middle of the clean garage. It looks brand new. The technician slowly closes the car door. The thud of the door closing is heavy, solid, and premium.
Final shot. The garage lights dim except for one spotlight on the car as the camera fades to black.